Good evening, everyone. This is Jacob Smith, and today I'll be going over my organization, which is Gold's Gym. To start with, dominant values, integrity and passion. Everyone you meet at Gold's Gym is going to work with integrity. They're going to be honest, and we are meant to have a strong moral compass. So, high morals and high honesty is a very big factor with Gold's Gym. And then passion. Everyone you run into, there's going to be passionate either about fitness, health, or personal growth and development. Behavioral norms. You will always see someone with a smile. As soon as you walk in, you'll be greeted with a smile. You have an issue, you'll always be able to have it handled at the front desk. And if it's not able to be handled at the front desk, a manager will always be able to take care of it at their desk. And then positivity and understanding are two big things with Gold's Gym. We speak positive and we understand where members come from when they're frustrated with some issues. Those are the best ways to resolve those problems. Then we have our values and norms and how they're reinforced. One of two ways. If we are doing something negative, we are not representing Gold's Gym, you get warnings in the form of write-ups. And then obviously when those progress enough, you'll be terminated. On the other side, we have rewards and acknowledgments. You have monetary rewards or you can get bonuses. You can receive merchandise from the retail shop, or you can be acknowledged company-wide over what we use it's called Yammer. Our managers will take that and basically brag about you to the entire company. So when you are representing what Goals is about on a daily basis, there's always going to be rewards and acknowledgments to follow. And then how are employees socialized into Gold's Gym? Easiest way, onboard training. That's the way everyone can learn the same thing in the shortest time possible. And it usually takes about a week or 2 weeks to get that done. After that, you progress to more of a shadowing or hands-on experience with employees who have been there longer. They will train you up on how to do things. And me personally, I always learn more with hands-on. So that was definitely the best part of learning and socializing for me. And then shared perspectives. One thing that's drilled into you, and if anyone has worked in a customer service business, you'll know that the customers always comes first. Always comes first. And then cultural influence, or how does culture influence performance? Everything's efficient when everyone has a shared understanding. Things go the right way. Things are done the right way every time, and the same way every time. So with a shared understanding and a culture where everyone is taught the same things, performance is just, it's usually out of the roof. Everything's just efficient and consistent. And then how does performance and behavior influence the effectiveness of Goals? Goals has been around for ever. Everyone knows of Gold's Gym. And the reason why is it's consistent. We always get the job done. We're efficient, and we're always looking for new ways to grow and to adapt. Especially in the fitness realm, things are always changing. Thank you. That's my reference page. Since I work at Gold's Gym, a lot of things I've already known, didn't have to research. What I did need to research or utilize within this presentation was out of chapter 2 in the book. So there we go. Thank you.